What's up, guys? Michael Livingston here with part 3 of the 50 to 1,000, almost at 150 because we already did that, 50 to $1,000 challenge, guys. I want you guys to know I'm showing the good and the bad. I made a mistake after completing the week or whatnot, and completing that video. I actually got into a trade, which you guys will see, that brought the account down to $100, which we're fine because we started with 60 bucks, so we're still up. Now this week, you guys are about to see me doing higher lot sizes since we have a bigger account. So you're going to be able to see the account grow a lot farther. But other than that, I wanted to let you guys know about that update. But let's see what happens this week. And by the way, check this out. You can get a free stock up to $70 from Public. Just click the link in the description. If you click that link, or you go to public.com/wealthwithmichael, I would just click the link to make sure that you get it. You'll actually get a free stock up to $70. Nothing beats free money, right? And there's no catch. It's just as easy as signing up for Instagram. It's actually easier because you don't have to put in your bio and all that kind of stuff. You just literally put in your name, and that's it, and your email, and you're good. So get that free stock and then continue to watch the rest of this video, guys. I will see you guys, and I'm going to show you guys all the trades. Let's make this money. Let's go. All right, guys, first trade of the week. As you guys know, GBP Odd, like I've been saying, has been making higher highs, higher lows on higher time frames. So, our overall bias is bullish. So we're going to go over to the 15-minute chart. As you guys can see, price broke the moving average and is now coming. It actually broke this resistance area, broke the moving average, or the moving average is crossed, sorry. Price broke above, now it's coming back to retest. So we're actually going to get into an entry right now. All right, we're about to hop into this trade. Click, boom. If it can go down a little bit more, I'll put a little bit more in there. Let me get it ready, because this is my smaller account, so I definitely got to take that down. Oops. Yeah. Let's see here. I'm gonna update you guys here in a second if I get another entry. All right, guys. I'm going to get my second entry. I'm just on my free Discord. I got we're doing a free live trading room. So if you guys are wanting to be in my live trading room, then just simply click that link in the bio, and then also click that link in the bio. You get a free stock up to $70. I had somebody just get one, Tesla stock, 58 bucks. Just from literally clicking that link. There's no gimmicks, there's no tricks. You don't have to deposit, a certain amount of money to get it. You just click the link. It takes you 2 minutes and you can get a free stock. But I'm gonna get back to this live on YouTube and on Zoom. But guys, stay tuned for this stuff. I'm giving this value out for free. And if you're ever wanting one-on-one mentorship, you want to take this a little bit further, shorten the learning curve, then just DM me on Instagram. My Instagram and all that is in the bio. So I'll update you guys on this trade here in a second. What up, guys? We're back. What's crazy is that last trade, I'm actually going to show you. It actually hit take profit 1, but I had fell asleep. So I'm going to show you guys the truth and the honesty about trading. Like right here in the Discord, yesterday I called the trade by GBP Odd. Boom, take profit 1 was hit, right? And I made a mistake. A $28 mistake, but we're fine. We'll make that back plus way more on this next trade. It looks like I'm looking at GBP Odd again for a buy. It made a nice push up and it's finding some support right here. So I'm waiting for price to just come down a little bit more so I can catch an entry. So I will update you guys. All right, cool. We're at GBP Odd still. We got that little bit of a push down that I'm looking to see just so I can get myself a better entry. And we are going to trade it. 15. Buy, and then we'll put a 5 center in here in a second. Or honestly, I'm just gonna put it in right now so that way I can set 2 different take profits. Whoop. So we're in this trade. Let's see how she plays out. Still on the live account. I'm showing you guys the good and the bad. Like nobody does this. Nobody does this. Nobody shows you the good and the ugly. They don't like to show that. They want to make themselves just seem like they're right every time. You're never going to be right every time trading Forex. You just got to understand that and move on and not let that trade ever affect you. So let's get it. Okay, Google, volume 35% bedroom TV. What's up, guys? I know it's been a minute. Sounds like I'm winning, making like 2,000 a minute. Okay, Google, volume 10% bedroom TV. All right, sorry about that, guys, but hey, I want to let you guys know on this next trade. Obviously, it's been going pretty good. There was one bad thing, which I'm going to show you guys, but this overall is a great trade, over 100 pip trade. So this is where we got into the buy for GBP AUD. Since my account was so small, it margined out one of my trades, even though it didn't hit my stop loss. Got one of my trades in all the way up here. I kept the trade in, came back, price retested right here, got back in for another entry. It went up, came back, retested here. You see that wick. I got another entry, and price it right now is up 141 pips since I called it, which I'll actually show you guys. See how it took $20 out because of that stupid like, it's been over a day, guys. It's been a minute. It's only been a few seconds for you guys, but it took one of them out because of a margin call. That's what happens when you're on a smaller account. Like, I'm not using proper risk as according to my account size, but I'm using proper risk when it comes to my risk to reward. That's why I'm, you know, I can lose on one trade and win a bunch on the other. So like, this is my first entry on the 30-minute. Price went up, came back, retested, got another entry, price came up, retested, I got another entry. So let's close out some of these profits and get that account balance back up. So we're gonna close this one, boom. It was just at $100, but I had to record it for you guys. I don't care about the $2. And we're gonna take this one out. And then, do we take this one out? Hold on, let's look. So price is trying to make a move to the upside. Like, I really want to see it go to the next quarter point level, which is 184.5, which is an institutional level, before I take my next profit. This is the 5-minute chart. But you know what I'm seeing is the market is starting to get very exhausted. You know, look at this, very, 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 very exhausted. You know, compared to when price was going up, it was just going up. Now it's like getting very, very exhausted. So what I'm gonna do, if this was a little bit bigger of an account, I would probably let it ride. But we're just gonna close that out. Boom, come on. So we just bagged $100, 3 times the account. If it wasn't for that margin call, this would be about 280 bucks. Which I'm not too mad about. You know, it's my fault I margin called. But as you guys can see, the account is still well over $60. This will probably be the last trade of the week. But, you know, it was actually like, it was a really like slow week trading wise. Like, I only made those, you know, what was it, like 2 trades, 3 trades? I don't know. I'll have to go back and look, but I think I only made 2 trades because there was just like no setups. Like, if there's no setups, then you don't trade. You don't just force trades, guys. You can't do that. That's how you're going to lose money. You know, this trade, I just knew that, you know, it had a lot of room to go up on a higher time frame. So that's why I held it for, you know, 148 pips. But if this is the last trade, this is the last trade. I'll let you guys know here in a second. And I'll see you guys here in a minute when I explain to you if this is the last trade or not. But guys, if you like that trade, you see that sniper ass entry, go ahead, smash that like button, and part 4 will be coming soon. All right, guys, so peace.